Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if you are getting the login file check your info error in the app, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some easy methods to fix this problem quickly. So let's start with the first solution. So firstly, make sure your username and password are correct. Sometimes a small typing mistake can cause this error. Try entering your login details again carefully. Second, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data once and restart your router if needed. A weak internet connection can stop the game from connecting to the servers. Third, check if app servers are down. If the servers are under maintenance or facing issues, you may have to wait for some time before logging in again. Next, update the game to the latest version. Open Steam, Epic Games, PlayStation Store, or Xbox Store and make sure there are no pending updates available. Now, clear cache files. On PC, restart Steam or Epic Games Launcher and verify game files. On mobile, clear cache from app settings. Console users can restart the console and reconnect the account. Another important fix is resetting your password. So, go to the official game website and reset your account password once. Then try logging in again. Also, disable VPN if you are using one because VPN servers sometimes block the login request. If the problem still continues, uninstall and reinstall the game completely. This can fix corrupted files causing the login issue. After trying all these methods, your game login failed problem should be fixed successfully. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.